X ibhakaniya uyibona kanjani igame uyibone kanjani igame yanamhlanje nakho i-draw
Personally, we play with a lot of chances, né? And I feel like the coach, this thing of his of changing the first 11 every single game, it confuses the players because there was those touches and those passes where certain players, especially the midfielders, they knew which if I pass this ball there, ngizothola umuntu okanje ohlezi ara. So now that kind of fumbled the game and we lost a lot of chances where we could have scored and a lot of opportunities, you see. But overall, 1 point is not good enough. But I knew coming here today, I was like, guys, gents, today is going to be a draw. And the gents were like,
why
No, I knew. Siwelewele, it's a good team. It's a
they
good
give
team.
you problems
Siwelewele, no, they don't give us problems, but Siwelewele is a good team. It was bound time for them to show us that they're a good team. And today was the day. Today was the day for them to show us, you know what, we are a good team. And we're going to prove it today. We've been beating Siwelewele. We've been beating Siwelewele. So today was the day for them to show us that we are a good team. And I knew deep down today was going to be the day for them to show us that we're a good team.
so what can you say about Ricardo Costa?
No comment. I'm only going to talk about Pirates. I'm a Pirates fan. I'm only going to talk about Pirates. But overall, what's this player's name? The Siwelewele midfielder, the colored guy.
Played very well.
He had a good game. I was surprised when they took him off.
Mashonisa.
No, but
Vincent Pule, how did you
no, he had a bad game.
get a big game?
A few touches there and there. I was expecting more from him. I thought it was going to give us a problem today, but he had a bad game. Honestly, he had a bad game. But I don't think he should have started with Ndaba and Mbutuma. Those are our weak links. I mean, we're only few games away from ending the season.
It's almost
We can't be losing points. We can't be making mistakes. We need to be prominent. We need to be clinical. So we needed Hoto. And that goal came from the left side. Our entire left side was off form today, to be honest. Ndaba, Muremi, who was playing with Muremi, Ndaba, and no, Mufokeng was alright. Mufokeng was switching, so we can't really blame him. But our entire left side was off form, to be honest. It was totally off form. But yet again, it's football. We expect unexpected at the end of the day, you know. But let's just hope that this 1 point
it's going to take you somewhere.
is going to take us somewhere. And Sundowns drops points as well. Let's just hope. But overall, once always, Pagani, yes.
Noma kanjani?
Noma kanjani.
Ave Pagani. Sure.